Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Does your dog need a handicap ramp? Alright, if so, watch this. If you need help, make a comment.
Hello, Valentina. What's the matter, honey? You can't get up those stairs anymore? Hey, Gussie. Alright, well, I'm gonna fix that for you. Okay, baby? Okay, I had some lumber left over from a project I did for my granddaughter. I built a valance for her. This is 1x8 poplar. You can get it in pine if you want. It's all smooth, like a furniture grade. So I had enough lumber left over and some casing, so I was able to make this ramp, handicap ramp for my dog.
You can see that video, Valance. It's a 6-part series. I know I'm doing better at making them shorter, but you will enjoy that. It'll show you how to make a valance for your home. I did it for my granddaughter because my daughter had other valances in her existing home, but there wasn't one in my granddaughter's bedroom, and she really wanted it done, so I made that for her. All right, take a look at it. Let's proceed with this.
So we cut one end. It's like a 45. I sand it down a little bit more, all depending on how long you make the ramp and how high up you have to go. All right, now I started putting this project together before I decided to video it. I wasn't sure if anybody would be interested in a handicap ramp for their dog. Okay. So this is the 1x8. I made the length, I measured where the steps were and how far I thought I would need to go. And then at the top, I have to put a piece of wood so that the top of the ramp will line up with the landing of the top of which is our kitchen. Okay, this is the bottom of the ramp where I made the 45 so that it's just a little easier for her to go up and down. I put casing. It's just door casing I had laying around in the warehouse. I put it on the side, give her a little sense of security when she's going up and down the ramp. Okay, and then I didn't want her sliding, so I found these it goes on steps, okay, and it's very rough, and I just put them end to end. 3 of them work perfectly, going all the way up the ramp. So when she's going, she doesn't have to worry about sliding down the ramp. All right, well, let me put it in place and show you what I did.
This is similar to what I used. Mine had a yellow strip on one side,
Okay.
but that's fine.
I put it into place. You can see the piece of wood is on the bottom step. The top lands at the step. And then this step, this has a rough surface. It's a non-slip surface with the sticky back, which is actually designed to be on exterior steps. So the glue is very strong. It works out very well to where the ramp won't slide out, and she uses it. We have a couple other Chihuahuas who are getting older also, but she's the first one that just has not been able to get up the steps anymore, and she would bark and make all kinds of noise till we would pick her up. And then we also have one going down for her. So she goes up and down these constantly. We don't hear a peep out of her, and she'll just go from one end of the house to the other. All right, I hope this helps you. If you need any information, It's a real simple design. There was no, um, exact measurements. I think I used a 5-foot piece of wood. I had them left over from another project. Come on, Gussie, you could do it. He doesn't like to use the ramp yet. All right. Well, I hope this helps you. It's very simple. If you need any information, just put it in the comments. I'll help you out the best that I can. I just painted it with a white semi-gloss trim paint that I had. The whole project, the only money out of pocket was the non-skid step pieces that I put on. And they weren't that expensive either. I just used a electric nailer to nail everything together, and of course I glued it and nailed it. All right, I hope this helps you. Building with Papa. See you on the next one.
This is Valentina coming up the ramp. And even though my cat doesn't need it, his name is Miso, but he likes to use the ramp. He'll go down the ramp, up the ramp, but he doesn't need to, but he enjoys it. Well then, we have Val coming down the ramp with her little family of Chihuahuas, Gussie, Gigi, and Valentina.